The measurement of water can be done in various ways and can be done in various places. For example, you can measure water in a glass or a dam or a river in some form or other. But most of the use of water happens through pipes, through a channeled flow. That's where the idea of making a device, a flow meter, which came into picture. Of course, there were flow meters existing from decades, but this has to be new. This has to be a device which could last years without any change in the accuracy. So that's where Dhaara flow meter came into picture. And we focused on ultrasonic based measurement, mainly because of its longevity.
Everything is an art. Designing a system, developing a system, producing a system, and maintaining a system. I see is an art. At the end of the day, is an art. Okay, so at R&D, we do the site surveys, customer visits, customer interviews, and understand various customer segments, customer use cases, and customer journeys towards utilizing the water. That's where we come up with the requirement, what exactly the device is supposed to do. Here at Kritsnam, the first priority is given to the quality management processes. So quality here we follow the quality assurance as well as quality control. These are the standard QMS practices based on ISO 9000 standard also. So that at every stage, starting from components are coming inside the organization, we see that these components are properly being quality checked, that we call as IQC, as incoming quality check. Then only we accept these components. With respect to that, there are key things like transducers. Okay, we use the best of the transducers, best quality of the transducers available, and those transducers, we source from the best of the vendors. Okay, but we do impedance matching to ensure that these transducers are paired correctly. So considering this, we design our electronic systems such a way that they are highly robust, highly noise efficient, so that whatever the transducers data come back to our electronics like these PCBs effectively understand, process, digest, and transmit the data to the respective end systems like clouds or industrial management systems, building management systems. Kritsnam given an entirely different perspective. Here we are a budding company, growing company. Everything we started our own from the scratch. Okay, be it process. For example, I can say that the calibration setup. We got a team of hydrology engineers, hydraulics engineers, okay, with mechanical engineers and all. We started designing ourselves. We started come up with our own processes of how to calibrate better, how to at the same time meet the compliance of NABL calibration, ISO 4064, all these things, meeting the compliances and how best we can give back to the customers. So what we understand is, being the face of the customer, we are getting a huge experience, user scenarios than the vendor who actually design a system for manufacturers like us. I see that is the biggest advantage we are leveraged, and we started designing our own calibration systems. So as being we are the manufacturer, we are the R&D, we are the life cycle management operation team, I think this is a huge value addition we got than all majority of our competitors, that we are giving back to each system. It is like a cycle. R&D gives to the manufacturing and operations again giving back to the manufacturing and R&D. This is a big cycle, and we are thoroughly enjoying that learning, adopting that advantage to the system, giving back those learnings, patch over back to the end customers.
Our team is like a very compact team. I mean, for a product like this, hardly many people give service in the industry. But, our company was very keen in having a dedicated team for it, and whatever team you are seeing here is only like 1/3 of the team is here. 2/3 of the team is on field actually. 365 days they are on field. Service engineers, support engineers, installation engineers, constantly working on customers and their concerns. Whenever there is a discharge value in the device, it communicates to the server. So through this we know that this device has been installed. So we ourselves call the customers, call the distributors to know who is the customer for it, who is the owner of it, so that we onboard the customer. We onboard the customer in the sense we give him a login wherein he can view the daily data, the monthly data, what are the working hours of the meter, what is the duration, and as well as the exact timings of the working hours.
Using our data on our dashboard, we showcase that if you can put a particular limit, okay, if you have to send 100 liters of water only, then you can put that limit and then tell yourself that if your consumption is close to 90 liters, then you will get an alarm immediately. So which means that you can play around and then set your limits, and accordingly the dashboard will offer a comprehensive risk management tool. Once you know how much of water you are consuming, and if you try to restrict your consumption to a particular limit, okay, then that tells you that you are saving water. When you are saving water, you are securing future. And see, water is the lifeline, as people say. Now from your side, if you can see where you can save water, then I believe we have done everything for our life. If you are securing a fruitful future for your children. So I believe that we can do with Dhaara Smart and Dhaara Life. Yeah.